that is William Shakespeare. Let's know about him. Video. Let's know about William Shakespeare. William Shakespeare was born in Stratford-on-Avon in the county of Warwick. The third child and the first son, William was christened on 26th April 1564 in the parish church. His father, John Shakespeare, was a prosperous businessman. William got his education in a good grammar school. His father's business failed due to neglect, so William could not attend the university. At the age of 18, he married Anne Hathaway, the daughter of an old family friend, and they had 3 children. The date of his arrival in London is not known, but he was said to have been there around 1592. A theatre company, Lord known, but he was said to have been there around 1592. Developed into London's leading company, Shakespeare became an important member in it, and this group occupied the Globe Theatre and later in 1608 took over the Blackfriars monasteries. Shakespearean's plays performed here show the change in the stage condition, having more scenery and lighting effects. In 1582, Shakespeare was married to Anne Hathaway, the daughter of a peasant family. She was 8 years older than her husband. It is stated that when he was hardly 21, he was burdened with 3 children and a wife, and it is believed that he was a worried man, for numerous sarcastic references to marriage made by his character in his play, and also from the fact that he soon left his wife and family and went to London. It is generally alleged that his marriage was a hasty and unhappy one. In London, he turned to the stage and soon became first an actor and then a playwright. He worked with other men and revised old plays before writing his own, and so gained a practical knowledge of his art from a pamphlet written by him. So, on his deathbed, we come to know that in 1592 he was well known as a successful author. As we know, he was a successful author and poet. He remained in London for 20 years, worked hard and produced an average couple of days a year, and grew steadily in fame and wealth. He bought property in Stratford and London and became a shareholder in a Globe and Blackfriars theatres. He have done many literary works. He worked in tragedies like Romeo and Juliet, Macbeth, Hamlet, King Lear, Othello, and comedies like earlier we have learned, Merchant of Venice, that As You Like It, The Tempest, A Midsummer Night's Dream, The Winter's Tale, and many more. Historical plays was Julius Caesar, Richard III, Henry IV, and Antony and Cleopatra. There are many. Shakespeare's career was over after 28 years, beginning from 1588 to 1612. He has written maximum 37 plays, which have been grouped in 4 periods. First period was 1582 to 1593. Second period was 1594 to 1600. Third period was 1601 to 1608. And last period was 1608 to 1612. He wrote romances, dramatic also, like The Tempest, The Winter's Tale, Pericles, and many more. He was a universal appeal also. So he was a great man. So we should all remember him always. Thank you for watching my video, and I will post Act 1 Scene 2 as soon as possible.